U1, SWAT is needed for high-risk arrest warrant service and possible hostage rescue at 25 Glendive Lane, Bronx. Detective 39 Adam requests you respond quickly but without lights and sirens. Suspect is wanted on multiple homicide and kidnapping charges. Suspect is a potential serial offender, likely to have a hostage victim inside. Suspect is believed to be mentally unstable. 39 Adam, this is Central BCC. Adam, Boy, and Truck 1 responding to 25 Glendive Lane for high-risk warrant service.
Gold, behind me.
In position.
Red team, stack up on that door.
Copy. On it.
Blue team, behind you.
Entry denied. Door locked.
Open it quietly.
Getting the picks out, sir.
Blue team, fall in and stay close. I'll take point.
At your back.
It's open, sir.
Red, get in there and clear. Move it! Go! 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 No visible threats.
I'm clear.
This is entry team.
Gerard,
We're in the house
it's clear.
and continuing on.
Roger that. Proceed with caution.
Element, regroup and stand by to move.
I see behind
the cops. Police, on your knees! Hands in the air! Get down! Police, get down now! Drop your weapon! Get those hands! Police, on your knees!
Bad guy compliant.
What does that smell? Red team.
Give up!
Tie him down.
Jay, on it.
If you can hear me, honey, I love you very much. And I'd like to say,
I don't want to hear it.
Suspect in custody.
Thank you. Please.
Talk,
In
this is
position.
entry team. Suspect secure and ready for evac.
Copy. Continue mission.
Open and clear.
Come on, boss.
On the ground, now! Police, on your knees! Police, hands up now!
Police,
Get
get
your
those
hands
hands up.
down! Police, put your hands
You got
up!
this all wrong.
Contact
Lawrence
has complied.
wouldn't hurt a
Doc,
fly.
this is Sierra 1. Element
Don't try
spotted.
anything
My
stupid.
Lawrence
Talk,
didn't
this
do
is entry
anything.
team. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Oh my!
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Get down! Hands in the air! Element, check that room.
Right on.
Regroup on me.
Check. Rejoining you.
On your 6.
Red, move on. Blue,
Roger, moving
fall
up.
in and prepare to move.
I'm with you.
In position.
Creepy basement, check. Creepy rat cages, check.
I don't feel good about this, not one bit.
Opening gas.
Check. On it.
Red team, bang it. Go when ready.
It's locked.
Blue's
Let's
got it
knock
covered.
down.
Blue team, open and clear. Bang it.
Move over, JV. Hollywood's here.
Go! Get down!
No visible threats. Follow your walls.
On the
Suspect
ground,
in
now!
sight.
Hands up!
Hands
Hands
up!
Get down! Police!
Standing
Get
in my
down
position,
now!
sir.
Drop your weapon! Hands up!
That's my mark you're at.
Suspect complied.
Make him secure.
Copy that. You're in no
Talk,
position.
this is entry team.
Shut it
Suspect
up.
cuffed
Don't
and
tell me
secure for
about this.
transport.
You
Copy. Stay sharp.
TOC, this is entry team. We found an unidentified female victim in need of medical assistance.
Roger. Notifying
Entry team to
EMTs.
TOC.
Keep us
Civilian
informed.
down. But
I got point. Get behind me.
Copy. On our way.
Red, move up.
In position.
On the move.
Hands up! Cover for threats.
In position.
Holy Sigmund Freud.
Thank God!
On the ground, now!
You found me. Is this
Doc,
really
Good
happening?
work in
Entry
there.
team to
Head back
TOC.
to
You
Entry
found
team
me.
to TOC. We found...
We're done.
Oh,
Make him
God.
safe. We're heading.